Hello you guys, so it's time for my next puzzle and it is this one, the summer of 69. We've got Converse chucks on there, although they are not branded, but I guess so. And in the background we've got the definition of summer. The hottest or warmest season of the year, including June, July and August in the northern hemisphere. In the southern hemisphere, the summer occurs during the month of northern winter. So that's all in the back. It has got 500 pieces and it is from Ravensburger. It is from 2015, so it's a little bit older, but not that old. And yes, I thrifted it, so I hope it's complete. And I would say, let's do it. Alright you guys, so that was it. It took me about an hour and 40 minutes. Yeah, it was fun. Wasn't special, but it was fun. And here we've got the Converse checks. Summer of 69. Yeah, well. My question is, have you ever had Converse? And if so, which color? So, guys, if you like what you saw, you can hit the like button or consider to subscribe. That would really help me out. And we will see us on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.